Hey guys, welcome back to Tiana's Healing Through Art. Today I'm going to do somewhat of a Dutch pour on some octagon shaped canvases that I got recently. It's going to be 5 canvases and I think we're going to have some fun. I'm going to use some leftover paint from my pour I did the other day with the DecoArt Extreme Sheens. So I'm excited to see what we're going to come up with and what my end results will be. So please stay tuned, and while you're at it, you can click that like button and subscribe button at the end, and please check out my links below to my other pages as well. And I will list everything that you need at the bottom of this video as well. So let's get started. Okay, hey guys, it's me. So clearly I need to go back to school because I don't know my shapes, because these are not octagon shapes. They are actually hexagons. So let's get pouring. Okay, so right here I'm just pouring my pillow paint, which is just a basic white interior exterior house paint semi-gloss that you can get in any hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. Okay, so this is my leftover paints that I had from the pour the other day with the DecoArt Extreme Sheen paints. And I will add a link for those, where you can get those at the end of this, at the bottom of this video. Okay, so this mixture that's in the bottle, some call it cell activator. However, I like to call it lacing serum because it gives your paintings that nice lacing effect, almost like a marble effect when it's blown out. And you will see that when I zoom in at the end of the video. Actually, you can kind of see it right here in that centerpiece as I'm blowing out the paint now. So now, right here, what I'm doing is just taking my little bendy straw and blowing out some of the paint, because I didn't want to continue blowing it with the blow dryer and then it will get overblown and then the paints will get muddied. So I just take the straw and I can just blow it out a little bit, and then I'll take some of the runoffs to touch up the edges of each painting, and that will take a minute, so we'll speed the video back up. As you can see, my daughter's cat Pepper is standing by, watching, taking lessons. Believe it or not, guys, I did not know he was there until I watched this video back. So everyone say hi to Pepper. Okay, so now I'm just torching the paint to bust any air bubbles I may have so I don't have any sinkholes and just have a more even painting. I really love the way this has turned out. So now, after some final touch-ups and I took a step back to have a look, I really love the end result of this painting. So I'm going to bring you guys in closer for a good view so you can see that lacing and that marble effect that I spoke of earlier. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and everything you need to know about the pouring mediums, my lacing serum, and the paints that I use will be posted at the bottom of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy pouring, everyone.